Hello everyone, so now we are going to do one more troubleshooting lab. If you remember, in our previous class we already done. I hope you enjoyed that one. Okay, so this one is our live batch CCNA 200-301 version 1.1. I hope already everyone know that one. Demo class has already finished and our live class has started from last 2 weeks. So no issue, we are in the VLAN topic and we discuss how to create, and now we are doing the troubleshooting of VLAN. So here we have the issue, we need to do the troubleshooting. If you see, first of all I will give you the scenario. After that we will work together to fix the issue here, whatever issue we are facing. And if you did not join our Telegram channel and Facebook page, try to join that one and like our Facebook page. Links are in the video description. And if you need this topology, also join our Telegram channel. I am going to share this topology in our Telegram channel and I am going to upload in our Facebook page. So try to like our Facebook page and join our Telegram channel. Now here if you see, we have the 3 department. If you see what we have here, we have the HR department here, and we assign the HR name to the VLAN 10, and we are using the subnet 192.168.10.0 for HR department, that is VLAN 10. And we have the VLAN 20. We are using VLAN 20 for the sales department, and the IP schema we are using for them is 192.168.20.0/24. And we have one more VLAN, that is a IT VLAN 30. We give to the IT, and we designed the IP schema 192.168.30.0 for VLAN 30, that is IT department. And if you see, we have the 2 floor, first floor and second floor. These 3 department, 3 guys are sitting in the first floor, and remaining 3 guys are sitting in the second floor. So what we can say here, first of all, this is a small company. They have only 3 employees for each department. So they have the first floor, all the guys are sitting together here and it is working. Later the company grow and they have the more projects, so we have the new employees, but space is not there, so we taken the second floor and also we connect the switch and started the computer. So more 3 guys from HR, more 3 guys from sales, more 3 guys from IT are working from there. So there is a difference here. 3 guys are in the first floor, 3 guys are in the second floor. We are using 2 switch to connect this one, and we need to remember whatever ports we are using from switch 1 to switch 2 to connect that port, that is a link, whatever link we have here, and whatever ports we are using. Example in this scenario, if you see, there is a fast Ethernet 0/10. Here is also fast Ethernet 0/10. You can have anything, but in this case you have this one, so you need to put this interface in trunk. Okay, this interface you need to put trunk because trunk is going to carry the multiple VLAN. So we need to configure the trunk protocol here. If you forget to configure, multiple VLAN traffic will not go. And now we are doing the troubleshooting. We have the issue, this computer is unable to communicate with the other computers, that is IT, that is a VLAN 30 computer is unable to communicate with other VLAN 30 computer. As per the rule, we already know VLAN is used to divide the single broadcast domain into multiple broadcast domain. We already know this one. And same VLAN will communicate, different VLAN cannot communicate. This one also we already know. So now we need to look. So let's try to look and fix the issue. But before that one, what I am saying, this is a link which is connecting the 2 switches from the first floor to the second floor. That link, that port we should put in the trunk, else it will not work. So anyhow, now let's see first of all why this one is not working. So first of all, I will open this computer. I will go to the desktop and then we can ping the other VLAN, that is a VLAN, what we can say, VLAN 30. So here is VLAN 30. 30.1 is the IP of this computer. So I am going to ping this another computer. So imagine this is the computer present in the first floor. This is the computer present in the third floor. So what I will do, I will ping, I will go to the command prompt. I will write here ping and the IP address of the machine. So IP I will put here 192.168.30.4. Okay, and I will ping. This is a 30.4. They are in the same VLAN, so it should work. Both are in the same VLAN, but if you see here, it is not working. That's why we need to do the troubleshooting. Why it is not working, what is the issue, how we can fix, we are going to look now. So it is not working. So now what you can do, you can try to check the other machine, this 30.5 and 30.6 also. If it is not working, then there is a issue with other thing. If only one computer is not working, means there is some issue with this computer. But we will check. If only this computer is not working, then we can look this computer IP or the interface or the cable, or maybe this interface which is connecting to this computer is maybe in the wrong VLAN. We need to check that one. But if you see here, the other machine, that is 192.168.30.5 is also not working here. Okay, that is also not working. So what we will do, we will look the other machine. If you see here 30.6, so I will write here 192.168.30.6 and I will check. So this one is also not working, I think. Let's see if this will work. We can look the issue. But anyhow, this one is also not working. If you see request timeout, so these three computers are not working. All these three computers are not working. They are in the same VLAN. This guy and this all three are in the same VLAN. It is not working. So what we can say, maybe there is a issue with the trunk port. That's why multiple VLAN is not carrying. But before going to that one, before going to trunk, what we can say, we are going to check this machine can work with this machine or not, because they are in the same VLAN. So this machine should talk to this other machine. If it is talking, then we can say maybe there is a issue with the trunk. But if it is not talking, then maybe there is a issue with this computer itself only. Anyhow, let's see. Let me ping 30.2. So I will ping 30.2. So we will see it is working or not. 30.2. I think it will not work. See, request timeout. First packet will be dropped for the ARP, address resolution protocol. ARP is nothing but address resolution protocol. ARP protocol is a protocol which is going to get the IP address over the MAC address. But here if you see, all three packets are dropped, it is not working. So what we will do now, we will check the other computer also, 192.168.30.3. So I am pinging this one also, 192.168.30.3. But even though it is not working, if you see, it is not working. So something wrong with this computer. It is not wrong with the trunk. If there is a wrong with the trunk, okay, if there is a wrong with the trunk, it will not work with this computer. We can say it will not work with this three computer, but it should work here only because they are directly connected here. So it should work. There is no issue with the trunk. So something wrong with this computer only here. Maybe we can figure out like that. This computer is unable to communicate with the same VLAN in the second floor. So we are saying maybe there is a issue with the trunk. Then we notice same switch, the other machine which is connecting to the same switch, that is also issue. Okay, so they are unable to communicate. So we told there is no issue with the trunk. Maybe there is a issue with this computer who is connecting to the switch. So maybe this port is having some issue. Maybe this NIC card, network interface card is broken, or maybe this computer is broken, or something wrong with this computer. So what I will do, first of all, let me check do we have the IP address or not for this computer. When I write here show IP, if you see what I wrote, IP config. This is the command we are going to use in the window machine to get the IP address. So when I write here 192.168.30.1, when I write this IP config, we are getting the IP address 192.168.30.1. So we have the IP. So look, this one is good. And also what you can do if you want to check the your LAN card is working or not, you know already this one, ping 127.0.0.1. This command we can check. If the reply is coming, means we can say our LAN card is also good. So no issue with the computer, maybe issue with the switch. So we need to look in the switch. So what I will do, I will take my laptop. In real scenario, I will take my laptop and I will connect with the console cable to my laptop, and then console cable to this switch. And then after that I will try to access this switch with the terminal here and in the real with the putty. So I will go here and I will check here what is the issue with this. So here I will go, I will write here enable show VLAN brief. So if you check here what I wrote here, show VLAN brief. So I have VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. So VLAN 30 is there. This one is the issue is in VLAN 30 PC only, and you can check this PC what is the interface F0/1. Okay, F0/1 is the interface which is having the issue. So let's see where it is that one. So let me check in this. F0 by, what is that interface? This interface F0 by 1. So we need to check this interface is connected correctly or not. F0 by 1. If you see here, we are checking for VLAN 30. So in the VLAN 30, what they put F0 by 2, F0 by 3. They put this interface F0 by 2 and this interface F0 by 3, but they forget to put this interface in that VLAN. Okay, because if you see here, by this command we can check show VLAN brief. We used to check the whatever VLAN you have and what interface assigned to that VLAN. We use that one to check this. But if we use this command to check how many VLAN we have and what is the name of that VLAN and whatever interface assigned to that VLAN, we use this command to check that one. But when we check here, if you see this interface, whatever the interface fast Ethernet 0 by 1 is not present in the VLAN 30. So where it is present, if you see, it is present in the VLAN 10. So that's why this computer is unable to communicate with the same VLAN, because here by mistake someone assigned this interface into the VLAN 10. So now this is in the VLAN 10. As per our design, it should be in the VLAN 30, so it should come somewhere here. But somewhere do the misconfiguration, because of that one it is not working. We figure out already with this command, we figure out. Now we need to correct. So what we need to do, we need to move this interface from the VLAN 10 to VLAN 30. How we can move? We can go here first of all in the global configuration mode. After that we need to write interface, and which interface you want to move, put that interface. We need to move interface F0 by 1. So when I click here interface F0 by 1, if you see here, before we are in the configuration mode. Before you are in the configuration mode, now I am inside the interface mode. After that here I can write like this, switch port mode axis, and then switch port axis, which VLAN I want to move. This is in the VLAN which 10. Now I need to move in VLAN 30. So I need to write here 30. I write here 30 and press enter. Sorry, what I done here, VLAN, I forget to write VLAN, so I will write here VLAN and give space and write 30 and press enter. After that you can write do show VLAN brief. If you see, when you write do show VLAN brief here, and you can see here F0 by 1. Okay, this interface move from here. If you see, before this interface here in the VLAN 10, but now that interface moved to what, VLAN 30. Okay, so now it is move, and if you see here the HTTP is working. When you move, it will take some time. After that it will start working, and meanwhile you can go here in the command prompt and you can set here like what IP is not working before, 30.3 also you can ping. So if you ping 30.3, it is working. This is a 30 and this is the .3, so that this is a 30.1, 30.3. so this one is working, and also you can check. So this one, this machine, this machine, this machine, all are working because they are in the same VLAN. Now I will ping this one, this one, this one. If this one is not working, then we need to look. Maybe the IP is wrong in this one, or maybe this port is wrong assigned, or maybe this interface is not in the trunk, or maybe VLAN, which VLAN, this one VLAN 30 is not allowed on the trunk, maybe. So we need to look. So let's try to ping. I will ping what is the IP here, 192.168.30.4. So I will write here 30.4. It is working perfectly, so no issue. After that we will write 30.5. If you see, it is also working perfectly. After that I will see here 30.6. We have 30.6 also here. It is also working perfectly here. So now what we can say, everything is working perfectly, no issue. So we fix the problem. What is the issue? Simple mistake we have here. Some misconfiguration we have. Someone configure this switch and they put this port in the VLAN 10. They need to put in the VLAN 30. So we figure out and we move that port into VLAN 30. After that it is working perfectly. I hope you enjoy this video. Like our YouTube channel and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with your friend who is interested, and also join our Telegram channel. You are going to get there more topology and the images of the EVNG and GNS3, and also you can join our Facebook page. Thank you. Bye.